Captain Squeegee is the expert residential window cleaner of Central Pennsylvania. We are a licensed, bonded, and insured company serving Harrisburg, York, Lancaster, and all nearby areas. Our professional team of cleaners use the very latest equipment and guaranteed safe and effective, environmentally friendly products. In addition to window cleaning, we also offer power washing, soft washing, carpet and upholstery steam cleaning, gutter and roof cleaning, screen repairs, and much more. Get your free consultation and estimate by calling 717-421-4997. You can also visit our website at captainsqueegeeservices.com for more information.